Hey, what's up, guys? Whew. It's snowing in New York, and I figured I'm gonna go take some pictures. So thank you for joining me on my YouTube channel. And yeah, let's go take some pictures of the snowy Brooklyn Bridge. Check this out. Wow. Hey, let me show you guys my camera. As you can see, although it's a weather sealed camera, I'm using this special plastic bag to cover it up to add a little bit more protection from the snow. So here we go. Watch and learn, right? Approaching Brooklyn Bridge. We'll be there really soon, guys. Woo! It's pretty crazy out here. A lot of regrets, but I think in the long term it's going to be worth it. So thank you for watching. It's crazy out here, guys. Look at this. Whoa. Unfortunately, Brooklyn Bridge is under construction. So I had to go take a picture of, I guess, Washington Bridge. Because I don't know, I'm not a big fan of stuff that's under construction. Anyways, it's fun to get out here, you know. Nobody here, but zero visibility though. That's doesn't make for great pictures, to be honest. Surprised. Seeing the construction on the side of the Brooklyn Bridge made me super depressed. I gotta be honest, I knew it was gonna be cold, but this was next level. I also gave up doing the vlogs, thinking that I'm not gonna make a video. But as I'm sitting here reviewing the images, I really regret not going through with the whole thing. But it's very easy for me to blame myself as I'm now sitting in warmth. I was actually pretty well beaten by the weather. The lesson here, I guess, is to be easy on yourself and use experiences as this one to be more prepared next time. Even though I haven't taken any spectacular pictures on that day, I'm still glad that I was out there. That's how I met these two dudes. Amazing. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you would like any of these images for whatever reason, they're available at timwright.com. Thank you.